So let's take a quick look at the DJI Action, or DJI Osmo Action. Sorry about the 3D printer in the background, but yeah, here's the thing. Dual screen, 4K HDR, 11 meters waterproof, electronic image stabilization at 4K. You can go 4K 60p, and I don't know what this means. 8x, 1080p 8x. I don't know what that means. Okay, so you get your apps. DJI Care Refresh. I did purchase that just in case, because I'm going to put this on a drone and see what happens. You know, if I bust it up, at least I'll get to buy another one for cheaper. So let's see. Let's get the wrap off of it. And what do we got? We got a seal. Yep, there's a seal right there. We got a DJI. Little cushy for the lens protector. Nice. What else we get? Get it for the box. Put the box away. Let's see. Osmo Action. What comes in this box? How do you open the box? It's a trick box. There's no way to open it without tearing it. There we go. You get a very thick book on the inside. There's like a little pocket. Huh. For more information, get your Osmo Action book. What do you have here for cords? You get your USB-C, and this is the thing for this, and your cool little battery pack here. Battery, integrated door. Yeah, people talked about this. You get your little slot for the SD card. All right, well, let's see. Let's do the peel. Yeah, well, let's get it out of this case first. How do you get it out? A little snug. Here we go. Just peel off the... Very satisfying. What does it say? To switch modes. Yeah, so it says on the thing, switch modes, hit the QS button on the side. Little documentation on the screen on the front. Not a touch screen apparently. And let's see, what does it say? It just tells you the power and the shutter. So there's two buttons on top. Get your power and your shutter. So 1, 2, 3 buttons. This is the release for the battery door. Put that in the right way. Pull that off. It's powered on. Language English. I'll take that. Scan the code. Well, I guess I should get the app. Let me scan that code, see what happens. So I'll get that app. Come on, baby. Get. And get that installed. While that's downloading, take a look at the mount real quick. It's supposed to be a really cool quick release, but oh, you get the curved mount and the flat mount. Did that finish? No, still coming. Press down here. Oh, yeah, really easy to open and close. Yeah, nice mount. See how easy it is to get the phone working or the app working. So we agree. Access my location, I guess allow. Access a microphone, allow. Access my photos, okay, allow. And so during that time the camera did turn off, so let me turn the camera back on again. It just came right on immediately. Let's see. It's not saying anything about pairing up or whatever, but let's see what. See, so at this point, what do you do? If I hit that, connect to the device, tap here to connect. Oh, see, Osmo Action is what I'm on. I don't know, see? Now it becomes a device connection searching. Osmo Action, connect. Oh, check the validation code. It's the same code. Accept. Agree. So what's happening now? Activate Osmo. Activate your Osmo when you connect it for the first time to receive your warranty. Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is properly connected. Activate your Osmo when you connect it for the first time to receive your warranty. Okay. What do I do now? Oh. Enable. Whatever that says. Next. Please activate after login. Login. I know I have a DJI account, but let's see what happens if I try to use that. Oops, I can't spell anymore. Capture code. Okay, X4. T. Password, I don't know what password is. I think I know this. Let's see. I guess my password. Activate Osmo. Activate. Activating. Keep the app open. Do not leave the page. Activation sent to the server. Let's see. Notice for beginners. Activation successful. Notice for beginners. What does it say? Insert micro SD card before shooting. Blah, blah, blah. Recommended to use maximum capacity of 256 and a UHS speed grade 3 rating. Power button on top. Press and hold to power off. Device is powered on. Turn screen on and off by pressing that button real quick. Shutter button, record, takes a photo or whatever, start, stop, blah, blah, blah. Quick switch button. Touch screen on the back. Access features. Tap at the bottom to select shooting mode. Double tap. 2 fingers simultaneously to switch between screen and touch screen. 11 meters waterproof. Here's a battery thing. Blah, blah, blah. What is this? Okay, so I guess we're done. Firmware update. Okay, I guess I gotta download my firmware. Okay, so we're going through the whole setup here. Install firmware. Install. Uh-oh. Device not connected. Connect your device. Searching. Connect. Join. Nothing's looking on here. Install. Note, please ensure it's device is plugged in. SD card. I need to get an SD card apparently to do the upgrade process. One sec. Okay, so here's the SD card from my Mavic. I have stuff on it. Let's see if it erases my Mavic SD card or not. Oops. So I don't know if that's in or out. It's upside down or what? Let me see. Try and get that damn SD card in. Oops. Knocked off the door, but I don't know which side is. Let's try that again. Okay, so really got to get your fingernail in there to get that card in. That's a weird door. I don't know how I got that off or how to get it back on. Oh well. A task for another time, but let's get going on this upgrade. Okay, I put the card in. Install the firmware. It's counting up. Yes, I am recording with my Hero 7 to do a box opening of my Osmo Action. Okay, 2 minutes left, so let's run. So that's almost 100, but this thing doesn't tell you the time countdown. Yeah, printer's going crazy in the background. All right, update success. All right, let's see. Update successful. Done. Device connection searching. No Osmo found. Here we go. Connect. Join. And yes, we have connection here. The back is still showing update successful. So I guess things are good. So I'll have to spend some time playing with the app, seeing what's up. Let me see, it says update successful. What if I tap right here? It goes away. Okay, swipe up. Enable or disable Rocksteady. Let me see, what do we got? Okay, so it comes up default 4K. I think I like 2.7K. I don't like 4.3. I like regular. Okay. So how do I get back? Do I swipe up? Swipe down? Yep, swipe up. Swipe down. You see, swipe left. Oh, it's like, oh, that gets back in the playback mode. Okay, so it switches the app. If I go back here, the app switches. If I pull down from the top, get these. Okay, well, that's it. Okay, well, thanks a lot for watching, guys. That's the DJI. Oh, let's switch the screen here. Let's switch the. How do I hit the quick switch on the side? Quick switch. Nope. Let's see. I hit the button, quick switch. It does a switch. Now we're looking at the front screen there. Okay, pretty cool. You say you can do the double tap on the screen. Let's see. Made a sound. Oh, look at that. Double tap on the screen. Sweet. All right. There we go. All right. DJI Osmo Action. Later.